11 Healing benefits of rosemary tea. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Rosemary tea is abundant in antioxidants, which are essential for neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the development of chronic diseases like cancer, cardiovascular disease, and neurodegenerative conditions. The antioxidants in rosemary tea, primarily cortisol, rosmarinic acid, and ursolic acid, work by scavenging these free radicals, thereby reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry highlighted the effectiveness of rosmarinic acid in preventing oxidative damage in cells. This suggests that regular consumption of rosemary tea may help lower the risk of oxidative stress-related diseases, such as cancer and heart disease, while also slowing the aging process. 2. Boosts memory and cognitive function. Rosemary has been historically associated with memory and cognitive enhancement, earning it the nickname herb of remembrance. Rosemary tea can improve blood circulation to the brain, which enhances cognitive function, focus, and memory retention. The key compound responsible for these effects is cineol, a volatile oil that increases brain activity and may support mental clarity and alertness. In a study published in Therapeutic Advances in Psychopharmacology, researchers discovered that the aroma of rosemary enhanced the cognitive performance of participants in memory-related tasks. The study indicated that rosemary may help boost long-term memory and cognitive speed, making it beneficial for both students and aging adults who want to maintain sharp mental faculties. 3. Improves digestion. Rosemary tea is traditionally used to alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. The anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties of rosemary help relax the muscles of the digestive tract, promoting smoother digestion and preventing discomfort. Rosemary also stimulates the production of bile, which is necessary for the breakdown of dietary fats. According to research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, rosemary extract offers protective effects on the gastrointestinal system by increasing bile production, preventing stomach cramps, and even reducing the risk of ulcers. This makes rosemary tea a helpful digestive aid, particularly after heavy meals. 4. Supports liver detoxification. The liver is responsible for filtering toxins from the blood, and rosemary tea may help support this crucial organ in detoxification processes. The antioxidants in rosemary tea, especially cortisol and rosmarinic acid, help protect liver cells from oxidative damage and may enhance the liver's ability to detoxify harmful substances. A study in food and chemical toxicology demonstrated that rosemary extract helped reduce liver damage caused by toxins, such as carbon tetrachloride. The study suggested that regular consumption of rosemary tea could enhance liver function, supporting the body's natural detoxification processes and promoting overall health. 5. Anti-inflammatory effects. Rosemary tea contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds like cortisol and rosmarinic acid. Inflammation is a natural immune response, but chronic inflammation can lead to conditions such as arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. The anti-inflammatory properties of rosemary tea may help to reduce inflammation throughout the body, easing symptoms of inflammatory conditions. A study published in the Journal of Inflammation found that rosemary extract significantly reduced inflammatory markers in animal models. This points to rosemary's potential in reducing chronic inflammation in humans, making it a useful remedy for conditions such as arthritis, autoimmune diseases, and other inflammatory disorders. 6. Promotes hair growth and scalp health. Rosemary tea, when applied topically, can stimulate hair growth and improve scalp health. The antioxidants and circulation-boosting properties of rosemary help increase blood flow to the scalp, providing hair follicles with the nutrients they need to produce stronger, healthier hair. Additionally, rosemary's antimicrobial properties help maintain a healthy scalp environment. A study published in Skin compared the effects of rosemary oil to minoxidil, a common hair growth treatment, and found that rosemary was just as effective in promoting hair growth in individuals suffering from androgenetic alopecia, pattern baldness. This makes rosemary tea a natural alternative for promoting thicker, fuller hair and reducing hair loss. 7. Helps lower blood sugar. Rosemary tea may help regulate blood sugar levels, which is especially beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. The polyphenols in rosemary have been shown to enhance insulin sensitivity and reduce blood glucose levels, supporting better metabolic health. In a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, rosemary extract exhibited strong anti-hyperglycemic effects, helping to lower blood sugar levels in animal models of type 2 diabetes. This suggests that regular consumption of rosemary tea may help manage blood sugar levels in people with metabolic disorders. 8. Reduces anxiety and improves mood. Rosemary tea has calming properties that can help reduce stress and anxiety. The active compounds in rosemary, such as linalool and cineol, have been shown to lower levels of cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone, and promote a sense of relaxation and well-being. Sipping rosemary tea can help ease the mind and reduce feelings of anxiety or mental tension. A study published in Psychiatry Research found that participants who inhaled rosemary aroma experienced significantly lower cortisol levels, supporting its use as a natural remedy for stress relief. These results suggest that drinking rosemary tea, or even smelling its aroma, may help manage daily stress and improve overall mood. 9. Boosts immune system. Rosemary tea can help strengthen the immune system, making the body more resilient to infections and illnesses. The antioxidants, including rosmarinic acid and cortisol, have antimicrobial and antiviral properties that enhance the body's ability to fight off pathogens. Additionally, rosemary may stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for immune function. A study in the Journal of Functional Foods demonstrated that rosemary extract increased the immune response in animal models, enhancing their ability to fend off infections. This suggests that rosemary tea could be a supportive natural remedy for boosting immunity, especially during cold and flu season. 10. Improve circulation. Rosemary tea is known to improve blood circulation, particularly in areas of the body where blood flow may be compromised, such as the extremities. Enhanced circulation can help relieve symptoms of poor circulation, such as cold hands and feet, and improve cardiovascular health by ensuring that oxygen and nutrients are efficiently delivered throughout the body. A study published in Phytotherapy Research confirmed that rosemary essential oil stimulated blood circulation, especially when applied topically. While rosemary tea is less concentrated than the oil, it may still offer mild benefits for improving circulation, helping to alleviate symptoms of poor blood flow and promoting cardiovascular health. 11. Supports respiratory health. Rosemary tea has traditionally been used to relieve respiratory issues such as coughs, colds, and sinus congestion. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties help soothe the respiratory tract and reduce inflammation in the airways, making it easier to breathe. Rosemary also helps loosen phlegm and mucus, promoting clear airways. Research published in the Journal of Applied Microbiology revealed that rosemary essential oil exhibited antimicrobial activity against pathogens responsible for respiratory infections. This suggests that drinking rosemary tea may have similar benefits for soothing the respiratory system and providing relief from mild respiratory conditions. To make rosemary tea, simply bring a cup of water to a boil and add 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary or 1 to 2 fresh sprigs of rosemary. Allow the herbs to steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you like the flavor. After steeping, strain the tea to remove the rosemary leaves or sprigs. You can enjoy it as is or add a bit of lemon for extra flavor. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest insights on health and nutrition.